Hey everybody, if you have patent leather shoes and you have scuff marks on them, you can use regular alcohol like this. That's what I used. You don't need a lot of chemicals or anything expensive. I had these shoes for years and they needed to be cleaned. I wear them to church and stuff. So I guess that was paint or something, but that's been up there for years. And I decided to use this alcohol and finally get that off. So let me show you how I did it. Like I said, you're going to use regular alcohol. Get yourself a clean rag and you're going to apply the alcohol to the rag like so and just wipe the scuff mark right off. Very easy. Now this is patent leather, which is actually like a plastic coating that they put over the leather, I guess. And so this should work for like handbags or, anything that's patent leather basically. I would try it on a small section to make sure it's not going to damage anything, but I had no issue. So it was really quick. And then I just took the alcohol and wiped the whole shoe down, got some water, and wiped the soles and everything. That's not even the finished product. I just kept on cleaning it, but it worked wonders. So just use alcohol. Don't spend a lot of money, and it works just fine. You probably have alcohol laying around the house, rubbing alcohol. So I hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.